In this video, I'll guide you through how to get your Steam Trade URL. Your Steam Trade URL is a unique link that allows other Steam users or supported trading websites to send you trade offers. If you need to share it, Steam makes it easy to find. To get started, open Steam and sign into your account. Then, hover over your account name at the top of the window and click Activity. Once you're on your activity page, look over to the menu on the right-hand side and click Trade Offers. If you don't see it immediately, scroll down until you find it. On the Trade Offers page, look to the right and click Who can send me trade offers? Scroll down until you reach the third-party sites section. Here, you'll see your unique Steam Trade URL. You can highlight the link, right-click, and select Copy to copy it to your clipboard. You can now share this URL with another Steam user or a trusted trading website so they can send you trade offers directly to your account. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully found and copied your Steam Trade URL.